If you want your deck boards to stay looking fresh and not all gross from spills or stains, cleaning them up quickly is key. So, when something spills on your deck, don't just let it sit there and soak in. Grab a soft brush or cloth and wipe it up fast. For sticky or oily messes, use a cleaner made for wood decks. Something gentle but strong enough to break down the stain. Avoid super harsh chemicals because they can mess up the wood finish. If the stain is stubborn, mix some warm water with a bit of mild soap and scrub gently. Rinse it off well so no soap residue sticks around to attract dirt later. For natural stains like leaves or mold, a solution with vinegar and water works wonders, but make sure to test it on a small spot first. Regularly cleaning your deck prevents stains from settling deep into the wood, which is way harder to fix later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with deckboard stains is waiting too long to clean spills, which lets the stains soak in and become a pain to remove. To fix this, just clean spills as soon as they happen. Another common issue is using the wrong cleaners, like bleach or abrasive scrubbing pads, which can damage the wood surface. Instead, stick with cleaners made for decks or gentle soap solutions. A third mistake is not rinsing enough after cleaning, leaving behind soap or cleaner residue that can actually attract more dirt and cause discoloration. Always rinse thoroughly with clean water. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find reliable local contractors who know how to care for decks and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for their skills, making sure everyone gets the right help when they need it.